Hello, I'm Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com, a leading interview training company that has helped millions of candidates worldwide prepare to pass their job interviews. And in this video, I'm going to help you succeed in your Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust interview. Oh, and don't forget to let me know which role you are applying for in the comments section below, so I can personally give you extra tips and questions to help you prepare to pass. Northumbria Healthcare style interview question number 1 is tell me about yourself, your interview introduction. Here is my fantastic top scoring response to help you prepare to come up with your own brilliant answer. Thank you for this opportunity. I've worked in healthcare for the past few years, supporting patients in both hospital and community settings. I'm someone who takes pride in providing care that is safe, compassionate and respectful, even when things get busy. What drew me to Northumbria Healthcare is the Trust's strong reputation for delivering high quality care and its focus on innovation such as the specialist emergency care hospital model. I've also heard from patients in the area about how well they were treated, which made me want to be part of that. I'm known for being organised, approachable and calm under pressure. I enjoy working in a team and building good relationships with patients and colleagues. I'm now looking to bring those strengths here where I can keep learning and contribute to the excellent care Northumbria Healthcare is known for. That is a fantastic answer because I give a clear summary of my experience, my values and my personal connection to Northumbria Healthcare. I don't just say I'm organised and calm under pressure, I link those qualities to how they help patients and colleagues. That makes it feel real and relevant. Let's move on to question number 2. What are the values and vision of Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust? Now, this question is being asked to check if you've researched the Trust and that your own values align with theirs. It's so important to match your values to the Trust's. So, in your answer, make sure you name the values accurately and then show how you already live them in your work or approach. Here is exactly how you can do that using this brilliant top scoring answer to help you. What are the values and vision of Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust? The vision of Northumbria Healthcare is to deliver the best care in the best place by the best people. It's about putting patients first, delivering high quality, safe services, and making sure care is accessible when and where it's needed. The Trust's values include being caring, respectful, and inclusive, always striving to improve and working together across teams and communities. I connect with these values because I believe good healthcare is built on compassion, teamwork, and continuous learning. In my own work, I always aim to treat people as individuals, respect their choices, and contribute to a positive team culture. I think these values make a real difference, not only to patient outcomes, but also to how staff support each other and take pride in the service we provide. That's a great answer. I named the vision and values exactly as the Trust presents them, which shows I've done my research. I also back it up with examples of how I already work in line with those values. That tells the panel I'm not just saying the words, I already live by them. Now, don't go anywhere as I still have plenty more interview questions and brilliant answers to give you in this video, but when you're ready, and only if you want to, you can click that link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below the video at any point during this training. It will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download my top 30 Northumbria NHS Trust style interview questions and the brilliant answers suitable for all job roles to give you the edge in your interview. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Why did you apply for the role? Now, this question is being asked because they want to understand your motivation and whether you're a good fit for the role and the Trust itself. In your answer, therefore, show a clear link between your skills and the role and the Trust's unique strengths, so it feels tailored, not generic, like most people will do with their answers. You want to stand out. Here is how you can do that with this brilliant top scoring answer. Why did you apply for the role? I applied because I want to be part of a team that delivers high quality care and genuinely makes a difference in the community. This role allows me to use my skills to support patients directly while working alongside experienced colleagues I can learn from. Northumbria Healthcare's reputation for innovation and patient-focused care really stood out to me. I like that the Trust is forward-thinking with initiatives such as the Specialist Emergency Care Hospital and that it values staff development. I'm someone who works hard, stays calm under pressure, and takes pride in doing a job well. So I felt like it was a great match for my abilities and career goals. It's important to me to work somewhere I can contribute positively while continuing to grow, and I believe this role offers exactly that. That's a great answer because I'm specific about why the role is right for me and why the Trust appeals to me. I link my skills and career goals to what the Trust offers, and it feels tailored, not generic, and that's what makes it stand out. Let's move on to question number 4. Why do you want to work for Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust? This question is being asked to see if you've researched the Trust and if your values align with its mission and priorities. Again, you can see a clear pattern here with these questions and the answers. Make sure you align yourself to the Trust's values. Make sure you highlight specific reasons unique to the Trust and connect them with your own values and ambitions. Here is a fantastic top-scoring answer to help you. Why do you want to work for Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust? I want to work for Northumbria Healthcare because it has an outstanding reputation for patient care and for supporting staff. I'm impressed by how the Trust delivers services across both hospital and community settings, ensuring people get the right care in the right place. I also value the Trust's focus on innovation, such as the Specialist Emergency Care Hospital, and its commitment to continuous improvement. That tells me this is an organisation that doesn't just maintain high standards, it actively looks for ways to make them even better. I share the same values of compassion, respect and teamwork, and I want to contribute to a service that makes a real difference to people's lives. Working here would give me the opportunity to be part of a team I can be proud of while continuing to develop my skills. That's a great answer. I make it clear I know what makes Northumbria Healthcare unique, like their specialist emergency care hospital and their focus on innovation. I then connect those strengths to my own values, which shows alignment and genuine motivation. So what I've done to help you pass your Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust interview is compile a list of the most common questions you must prepare strong answers to, such as what will be your biggest challenge coming into this role at Northumbria Healthcare? How would you deal with a challenging interaction with a relative? How would you put a patient first in your work? What is safeguarding and how would you implement it in your work at Northumbria Healthcare? Describe how you've demonstrated NHS core values in the past. Tell us about a time you dealt with a difficult patient. Tell us how you've improved a service in the Trust. How would you demonstrate confidentiality in your work at Northumbria Healthcare? What is the best thing about the NHS? What is clinical governance in the National Health Service? How would you help promote equality, diversity and inclusion in your team at Northumbria Healthcare? So those are just some of the key questions you should be preparing for. But if you want the full list of the top 30 Northumbria NHS Trust style interview questions, plus the brilliant example answers to help you pass at your first attempt, then click that link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below for 2 reasons. Firstly, this will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you'll get all of the answers we've covered today, plus a total of 30 expertly crafted responses to the most commonly asked Northumbria NHS Trust style interview questions in a PDF guide. Secondly, and as a bonus, I've also included 3 smart questions that you should ask at the end of your interview on that page to make a lasting impression. It's a powerful resource designed to put you ahead of the competition, so make sure you check it out. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Also, hit that like button if you found this helpful. It really helps motivate me to create more videos like this for you. If you have any questions about this role or any other job role, drop them in the comments below. I reply to all comments with tips and advice. And finally, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. I'd love to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your Northumbria NHS Trust interview. Have a brilliant day.